Yesterday, I told you I lost control of my body. But I didn't tell you what actually happened when everything changed. I wasn't healed in a moment like people expect. But something did happen that I can only describe one way. For years, I couldn't control my own body. So I stopped leaving the house. I was falling constantly. God bopped me on the head and sat me down. And the hardest part wasn't the physical stuff. It was realizing I wasn't in control of my own life anymore. And I tried everything I knew how to do. Fix it, manage it, push through it, understand it. Nothing worked. And eventually, I stopped fighting it the same way. Not because I gave up on life, but because I ran out of myself. And in that place, I didn't have a speech. I didn't have a formula. It was just honest. I remember saying something like, God, if you're real, I don't want to do this anymore. Alone. I wasn't trying to become religious. I was just done being in control. And something changed. Not outside at first, inside. The fear didn't disappear overnight, but I wasn't alone anymore. There was a peace I can't explain logically, and over time, my thinking started to change. My reactions started to change. Even my body started responding differently. And here's what I understand now. I wasn't being fixed like a machine. I was being let out of trying to control everything. Out of fear, out of self-reliance, out of fighting everything alone. And I need to be clear about this part. For me, that wasn't just hope or mindset. That was Jesus. Jesus, not religion, not a system, but something real that met me where I was. If you're watching this and you feel stuck, if you've tried everything and nothing is changing, maybe the answer isn't more control. Maybe it's surrender. And if you want, I'll keep sharing what this has actually looked like in real life. Not theory, but lived experience. I did the work. We can't get out of the ditch alone.